What's up YouTube? So today I'm going to talk about the 7 layer of OSI model. It's basically how the data travels in different 7 layers, how the networking communicate with one another. And so there's 7 different layers. The first layer I'm going to consider talking about is called physical layer. So physical layer is the lowest layer, you can call it, and it consists of bits, and it could be like coax or fiber, wireless, hubs, or repeaters. So that's a physical layer. The second layer is one above the physical layer is data link layer. So data link layer consists of frames. So frames could be like could be Ethernet or PPP switch or bridges. The next layer I'm going to consider is called network layer. Now network layer, we consider network layer as packets, IP packets, could be IP packets, ICMP, IPsec or IGMP. The other layer I'm going to consider now is called transport layer. So transport layer is basically consists of end-to-end communication, and it's usually either TCP or UDP. So it could be TCP, which is connection oriented, and UDP, which is not connection oriented. The next layer is session layer. So session layer is basically how it connects session, how the session works. So it could be API sockets, WinSocks, sync and send to port. That's session layer. The next one I'm going to consider is called presentation layer. So presentation layer is like syntax layer, and it can consist of like a SSH, FTP, JPEG, SSL. So that's presentation layer. And the last layer I'm going to consider talking about is called application layer. Now application layer is the top layer, so when you're using the application itself. So it could be it's a N layer, user layer, and it could be HTTP, FTP, SSH or DNS. Thank you very much.